Looking for a dessert that is both delightful and simple to make? Let's prepare a creamy, no-bake spoon dessert that's sure to impress. Ingredients you'll need. For the cream layer: cup granulated sugar, 80 grams 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 30 grams 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 20 grams 1 egg, yolk 5 grams vanilla or 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 liter milk, 100 milliliters liquid cream, added later for the base, 200 grams chocolate cake, store-bought or homemade, a handful of chocolate chips or chopped chocolate for the ganache topping, 100 milliliters liquid cream, 100 grams chocolate, dark or milk. Instructions: prepare the cream. In a large saucepan, combine the sugar, flour, cornstarch, egg yolk, vanilla, and milk. Whisk until smooth and lump-free. Place the pan over medium heat and stir constantly. As the mixture heats up, it will begin to thicken. Continue stirring until you achieve a smooth, pudding-like consistency, which should take about 8–10 minutes. Once thickened, add, remove from heat. Stir for another 3–5 minutes to help it cool slightly and prevent a skin from forming. Then, add the 100 milliliters of liquid cream and mix well to achieve a silky texture. Prepare the base. Crumble the chocolate cake into a serving dish, pressing it down gently to form an even layer. Sprinkle chocolate chips or chopped chocolate over the top for added indulgence. Assemble the dessert. Pour the warm cream mixture over the cake base, spreading it evenly with a spatula to ensure full coverage. Prepare the ganache topping. Heat the 100 milliliters of liquid cream in a small saucepan until warm. Do not boil. Remove from heat and add the chopped chocolate. Stir continually. Slide until the chocolate melts completely, resulting in a smooth ganache. Pour this ganache over the cream layer, spreading it gently to cover the entire surface. Chill and serve. Refrigerate the dessert for at least 30 minutes, or until fully set. Once chilled, decorate the top with grated chocolate, cocoa powder or nuts as desired. This dessert is creamy, quick to prepare, no-bake, perfect for impressing guests. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next one. Bye for now.